So I'm doing the polar plunge in the Antarctic, and I'm really afraid. I wasn't going to do it, I was going to wimp out, but then I changed my mind because I thought I'd regret it the rest of my life, and then I'd have all of you to answer to. So here I go, I'm going to jump in this freezing water. I don't even do this in Canada. Why am I doing this here?
I'm looking forward to that thrill.
Invigorating swim. It's just an invigorating swim.
Jump away from the... I'm really scared.
How was that? How was that?
So cool.
How was it? How was it?
Oh, terrible. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. I didn't like it.
You loved it. You loved it. You loved it.
It's 3 degrees outside, going into some 0-degree weather. If the camera's shaking, it's because Deb just did it and she's freezing. Yeah.
Our fabulous kayaking guides, Solon and Val, are taking care of us today. Yay!
Yay! Body's numb now.
Wow.
That was awesome. Antarctica 2012 Polar Plunge. Drex, tell us how it was.
Amazing. Ridiculous.
So we've done the Polar Plunge here in Antarctica off the Sea Spirit with Quirk. Deb's still shivering, I can feel her. My body's completely numb. Come here, do not miss this. Polar Plunge is where it's at.
Congratulations, everybody. We're in Antarctica on the continent.
All polar plungers here.
Woohoo!